Questions to ask your realtor before you start working with them. I'll go first. What happens on a deal that goes bad, and how did you handle it? Most situations, something is always going to go wrong. Be it the title company is not able to do something right on time, the mortgage company is asking for extra stuff. There's going to be a delay because of whatever. Down here in Florida, we have hurricanes. Up north, you have bad snowstorms. What happens if the power goes out? If your realtor answers never, they never have any issues and they don't have any problems, might be a red flag for you. You may want to try and find somebody who has the experience to think on their feet and is able to handle whatever situation that's going on that's going to go wrong. It's easier said than done for somebody who doesn't have the experience or knowledge or is able to at least handle the pressure that's going to go on in your transaction. All these real estate deals are very high stressful, and you don't need to have your realtor freak out on you also.